Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2018 BMW X5. We're going to be getting rid of some of that wheel gap. We're going to lower it and do some spark plugs on it. Like I said, we'll work on anything. Bring it to me. Lifted, lowered. All right, let's get on this. All right, well, I guess I got a little excited and forgot to turn on the camera. We've already got the filters out and some of this cowl plastic. You got to get all this stuff out of your way just to access the strut bolts. So I'll go ahead and turn the camera on. I promise I won't forget this time. We'll get this thing jacked up in the air and we'll go ahead and start getting the wheels off and start tearing it apart. All right, well, that's out. Now we gotta use the spring compressors, compress that spring, tear that apart. This one's all-wheel drive, so you've got to drive CV axles in the front and rear. But it's out. We can go ahead and swap it out and keep moving on. All right, well now you saw that got taken out. Time for round two. We'll get them coils swapped out, get that back in, and then we could be done with the front. We'll move on to the back, and then we'll move back into that engine bay. Yeehaw. that's the front. Next, let's move on to the back, get that done, and we'll see what this looks like. It'll have to settle once it's all installed, but definitely feel a little more aggressive. All right, let's get on this.
All right, suspension's done. Wasn't a major drop, but it was enough to be noticeable a little bit and better for handling. So next we'll go ahead and knock out these spark plugs. Yeehaw. Stay tuned. All right, that's it. It'll settle still another at least ½ inch, but weren't able to do the spark plugs as you need a special spark plug socket for it. Gotta love German engineering. All right, so that's all it's gonna be on this one. Hopefully those tips helped you out. Maybe we'll do a follow-up on the spark plugs, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, everyone.